Good morning. I've got a new worksheet for you today, and the name of our worksheet is called Count in the School of Magic. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be counting. We're going to be using some tricks to help us solve the problem. The directions say finish the counting sentences, check the magic objects with the correct answer. So let's start down here at the first problem. And the first problem says 2 more than 4 is, and we need to solve what is that answer. And we've got 3 options here. We've got some magic hats. We've got a hat with a 6, a hat with a 7, and a hat with a 5. So we have to decide which one of these hats has the number that is 2 more than the number 4. So let's pay attention really quickly to these 2 words, more than. More than are clues to help us know that we need to add or we need to go up on a number line. So let's go ahead and do that for the first one. Let's make a number line, and we need at least the number 4 here. So I'm going to put the number 4 right in the middle, and I'm going to put some numbers after it. So 4, 5, 6, 7, and I'm going to put some numbers before it. So we've got 3, 2, and 1. So a number line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but the number that we're working with is 4. So right here, so this is where we're going to start on our number line. And the directions say 2 more than 4. So are we going to go right? Are we going to go up and add on? Are we going to go left and subtract and go down? More than means we're going to go up. So we're going to start right here on the number 4, and we're going to jump 2 more places. So count with me. 1, 2, and we land right here on this number, which is the number 6. So let's see if we can find the magic hat over here on number 6. Here we go. We've got number 6. That's the very first hat. That is 2 more than 4. Okay, now let's go on to the next problem. We've got some magic wands here. We've got a moon wand, and we've got a heart wand and a star wand. Let's see what they want us to do with these wands. It says 3 less than 8 is. Now, we can use a number line, and less than means that we're going to go down or we're going to subtract from 8. We can do that, or we can just write out a number problem. So 3 less than 8 is actually this problem right here, 8 minus 3, or 3 less than 8, okay? Now, if we can't solve this, we can always draw a picture. So that's what I want to do for this one. This is the way that I want to solve this problem. We're going to make 8 dots. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to subtract 3, or we're going to have less than 8. So subtract with me. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to figure out the total. How many do we have left? Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer is going to be 5. Do you see the magic wand with the number 5? Let's look. We've got 4, 5. Oh, there it is. It's the heart wand, isn't it? That's our answer. So let's go down to the next one. The next one says 5 more than 10 is. So is more than mean we add and go up, or we subtract and go down? Which is the answer? We're going to add and go up, aren't we? So 5 more than 10. And our answers are either going to be 15, 13, or 14 in these magic balls here. So we have to figure out which is the correct one. So let's do this. Let's add on, since we know it's going to be more than. And another way we can solve this problem is we can use our fingers. Now, sometimes when we run out of fingers, we need to just use the numbers and add on. So what I'm going to do is this. It says 5 more than 10. So in my head, I'm going to start with the number 10, and I'm going to use my 5 fingers to count up or add on, okay? So number 10, count with me. I've got 5. I'm going to count 5 more. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I just counted up 5 more from 10. So 15 was my answer. Let's see if we can find it. Do you see it down here? Yeah, it's the very first one, isn't it? Number 15 right here, okay? 5 more than 10 is 15. Awesome job. We used our fingers on that one. Now let's go down to the last one. The last one says 4 less than 16 is, okay? So how should we do this? Let's do another number line for this one. There's lots of ways we can do it, but I want to try it with a number line. So I'm going to draw out a number line, and I'm going to have the number 16 on here, and we're just going to add a few more numbers up here to the side: 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And if you already have a number line written out, that would be even better than drawing it out, but sometimes you don't always have one with you, so you can draw one out. 16 and then go down. We've got 15, 14, 13, 12, and 11. Okay, so I've got my number line. My 16, the number that I'm starting with, is in the middle, and then we have to do something 4 places. Are we going to go up and add on, or are we going to subtract? Let's look at those words. Less than. Less than tells us that we're going to go down on the number line, or we're going to subtract. So let's start on our number 16. And how many places are we going to go down? What was the other number? 4, right? So we're going to move 4 places. So I want you to count with me. We're going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4. And we land on this number right here, which is the number 12, okay? So 4 less than 16 is 12. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to put a check right next to the magic book with the number 12. Awesome job today, kiddos. You did a great job. I will see you again next time. Bye-bye.